All right, it's another day. The vlog is gonna be decidedly less good looking today than the last few days because I'm on my own. It's just me. And I don't even have my own car. I've got this great truck. I love this truck. It's a sweet truck. It's not my truck, because my car's in the shop and may it stay there, you know? Because I like this truck. So the first thing about today is it's hot. It's in the 70s today. I don't need that. Whew. So there's that. A lot of stuff going on today. Gotta get a pricing gun to my staff. I've gotta get the paychecks to where the people are gonna be so they can get paid. And a good friend of mine's daughter plays volleyball. She's in the D2 National Championship starting today, which is awesome, but super, super rudely, their game is at 1:30 in the middle of the day, which is, well, that means I'm not gonna work for at least 2 hours in the middle of the day. So let's get out of here, let's do this. Well, that stinks. I blame my wife. She is the queen of getting stuck behind trains. And I don't even see train. You see train? No train there. No train there. But I don't get to go. Oh, there's the train. I think I hate you, train. But you know I've got things to do. Blah. Hallelujah. Let the day begin. All right, so just did a little work at the resale shop where our nonprofit makes fundraises for what we do, serving the kiddos. There was a sweet little girl who needed some boots, and the family needed a Christmas tree, and my staff hooked them up, and she was just saying thank you to me, and I didn't do anything. All I did was give my staff. I didn't do anything. The staff did it. So, you know what? I love Christmas time. Find a reason to go help somebody, do something nice for somebody. I didn't do anything, and I just got a bunch of thank yous. Isn't that cool? Thank you, my staff, too. Great job. All right, next. So I didn't get here in time, but Tarleton State up 9-7. Second set, looks like we lost the first one 1-0. So we're down 1-0, up 9-7 in the second set as I get here in time. Check out this. This is awesome. Sitting in Starbucks, watching the ladies D2 championship. So we're up 10-8, set 2. I'm here for Amber. There she is. Ooh, she's gonna hit now. So I'm at Starbucks doing a little work. Watching Amber, my friend's daughter, in the Division II volleyball championships. It's pretty stressful. We're down by 2. 1 set 0. All right, so we're down 2-0. I guess it's 3 out of 5, which totally makes sense. Western Washington's got the first 2, but Amber and Tarleton State's gonna take the next 3 in a row, as I say so. Good shot over. Eating Amber. All right, I've got 4 daughters, none of which are playing this game. My good friends' daughters playing this game. We're down 2-0, up 2018 in set 3. I'm having a stress attack. Now we're only up 2019 because every time I show you guys a point, the bad guys win. So I want to show you guys points, but I would prefer that we win. So anyway, supporting number 15 on Tarleton State, Amber Strange, who I'm hoping does something cool for us here on video. Boom, that wasn't her, but that was awesome. number 15. She's wide. They did not set her there. That's Amber playing the ball. Amber swings. Oh. I could not live this life. I'm stressed out. We are tied. Stressful stuff. Amber, yes. The put away. 23-22. Only down one. All right, Washington State's pulled ahead 24-23 in the third. Oh my gosh, what a point. Oh my goodness. Oh, are you kidding me? It's my girl Amber. Oh. What an insane point. What a point. Unfortunately, that's it for Tarleton State. Wow. That was awesome and horrible and stressful and amazing and awesome. But I'm sad they're out. All right, so Washington Tarleton State, Division II volleyball. It was super close. It was amazing. It was fun to watch. It was stressful. The bad guys won, but Amber Strange, I love you. I'm glad I got to watch. You're awesome. Congratulations getting to the final 8 Division II NCAAs. I'm proud of you. Well, that was super awesome. I just spent, I don't know how long it was, good portion of time in Starbucks doing a little work, mostly watching Amber and Tarleton State. Final 8 Division II NCAA Division II Final 8 championships. My buddy Chris, he just texted me. I texted him, he texted me. I can't, I'm the father of 4 daughters. They're awesome. I'm so proud of them. I'm not Amber's dad. I'm so proud of her. I'm proud of the girls. I don't even know them. Amazing. The talent they have is unbelievable. The stress Chris must be under. I don't know if you're going to watch this, Chris, but oh my, I'm stressed out just sitting in Starbucks watching and rooting. I can't imagine being you right now, buddy. Great job, Amber. Love you to death. You were awesome. All right, now back to reality. Unfortunately, making a deposit at the bank. All right, so I made my deposit. Kind of a bummer, kind of awesome, mostly a bummer. I jump out of the car. Guy sitting there saying, "Oh my gosh, your truck is awesome." I'm like, "I know, right?" It's not mine. My Chevy Sonic's in the shop. Anybody got $59,900? Hey, go ahead and hit that PayPal, $59,900, and you too can watch me drive this truck more. Yeah, well, anyway. All right, that's it for today's vlog. I appreciate you checking it out. It's Vlogmas, so go check out Alana Zingano's vlog. I will link to it somewhere in the corner. It's Vlogmas. Go support fellow vloggers, especially in my case, Disney vloggers, like Alana. Link in the description and on the screen. That's it. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. See ya.